What about pregnancy?
Pregnancy is something that is very doable on dialysis, particularly nocturnal dialysis. There's a big study done in Canada which supported many pregnancies on nocturnal dialysis, but it would be very much have to be closely led with the physicians and nurses to support it. Certainly, it's a known fact that frequent dialysis and nocturnal dialysis supports the way the body works naturally, and the body, maybe if it was struggling on conventional 3 times a week dialysis, well, you certainly feel a lot better on daily or nocturnal.